How are you guys? Today's unboxing Vova, the new application online website for this one website in China. I purchased from this in China. I ordered you before 3 months before, something January 28 date. Today I received the product by post. This one for any matter, for cell phone, any electrician, any electric product, you will be search the elevator. Okay guys, before just start the video, like and video and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, just start unboxing. So by post I get this one, this product. Why? The new application you found in the Play Store. Why? Vova. This is the pocket inside. Box. The price is, you will be lapping this one price. You price this one, I get this one something 1 rupees. You know the app is new application. That's why they like this offer will be give. Sorry guys for cutting for because I one hand hold my camera. This was very hard to unboxing. Come on, quick fast. This is our wire. The limiter wire only I found this one, not the all product. The price is only 1 rupees. The Indian rupees. The wire is told. See about the length of the wire. I get a coupon also inside. Discount for just anything I purchased, this one found the discount. Vova, the application you check in the Play Store, you found this one. Okay guys, like and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Anything or question, please comment in the comments.